hint of away swing, but Habibullah just caressed it through that cover point region. First four of the innings.
He has been a very good batter in the domestic circuit. An average of 43 with 19 matches with a strike rate of 91.
Edged just past the fielder in that slip cordon.
But yet again, it's 4 runs for the team, for him. Playing away from his body, got lucky that it didn't go to the first slip. Boundary to finish the over after 1, 9 for naught.
Missed everything.
Way faster than that. Bringing in into the left-hander. That angle he created, no chance for the keeper. Now he's the bowling coach of Mardan Warriors.
Short ball.
He was getting such a good swing from the fuller length delivery. Tried the short pitch delivery.
And he's bowled him. So after the short pitch delivery, Ismail has gone for the fuller one.
Fuller length, why go short? Just look at that. That angle, that swing. Excellent delivery there. And Ishaq trying to go for another boundary.
Just beats the fielder.
Beautiful time shot. Just look at that. Just timed it. Rolled the wrists over to keep it down. Exquisite timing there. 4 runs.
It's close. That's close. That's given. Whether or not there was any bat.
He moved across the stumps and missed a straight delivery. No chance for him. I think so. He has been given out. The decision might stay like that.
It struck in line and would have gone on. Yep. Edged. That's another one.
Couldn't bother the scorers with the bat. It was going away. Again, no feet movement there. Easy catch for the keeper. Smith has to depart for naught.
Slapped through the offside.
Power play is the area where you need to put some kind of pressure on the opposition. Good use of feet.
What they need now is a strong partnership.
Good shot.
He's waited very nicely for this. Deep in the crease. Make sure he's forced it backward of square.
Oh, yes. You don't like that sound if you're a batter. It's gone right through his defenses.
And it's a crucial one as well. That's what we're talking about. Ball just going straight on with the arm. He's given himself a bit of room because he's looking to maneuver the ball into the offside for a single. He gave himself a bit too much room.
He's chopped it onto the stumps. That's the end of another wicket.
Now, this is not a good shot. Trying to force the ball away. What he's done well is held the ball back, given it a bit of air. And he's got through the shot before the ball's got there. Bottom edge. Look where his left foot is. Leg stump. Ball's way outside the off.
And this will go all the way. Deep square leg and deep mid wicket, and it ran away really quickly.
A rare bad delivery from Arafat Minhas.
Powered down the ground to long off and taken. Couldn't get it up and over. Not sure if you're picking up this celebration. It is like an Imran Tahir celebration.
And Afnan Khan, who was brilliant with the ball, goes for the bait. He wants to hit it down the ground. And Saad Masood makes no mistake. It's not easy to catch under lights.
Giants who lost their opening game. And the Royals who won it. This is just chipped. And we've got enough of it. He just came off.
Definitely there was a chance. The fielder was too inside the boundary. He walked in, couldn't judge it. Ziaullah wanted to put pressure back onto the bowler. It still landed inside the ropes.
In the air. Should be taken. It's gone a long way up. Oh, again misjudged and bounces away for 4. Now, whether that went into the floodlights.
Fielding is one area that these teams will really have to work hard along the way throughout this tournament. Some of them would not have played under lights. Adjusting to that, he overran it, tried to come back.
Oh, nicked. Big nick. You could hear it given as well. This one.
Excellent delivery, a lot of revolutions on the ball, and excellent take behind the stumps. Good teamwork by Sharks.
This one is hit well. Took the strike. Last ball of the over. Finish it off with a maximum of 6. We're 14 overs down, 82 for 7.
The required run rate will come down if Asir Mughal can play a few shots like that. Using his feet, going with the spin. Excellent extension of the arms. Still head for maximum.
Coaches in this side will be happy. That's in the gap.
And he's played it away from that third man fielder. That's a very T20 style of cricket. He's not hitting it hard. He's just using the pace and the width available. That raced away.
It's gone through everyone. Should be 4.
The fact is that it's gone through to the boundary. He's looking to heave that away. It's too full.
He goes and doesn't make contact, so straight away wicket for Benkenstein.
Rather subdued celebration from Benkenstein. Looking to get on with things, Mughal. Sneaking under the bat. And another crucial wicket.
Skyer. Up, up, and into the hands.
Pretty sure it would have been swirling up there. Top spinner. In the end, a very well judged catch. You can see from the reaction, another big smile.
Flicked away and flicked nicely for 4.
This one is the slower ball. He's picked that up nicely. He knows that the man is in the circle. All he needs to do is get it over his head.
Leng outside the off stump. Fielder comes in, completes the catch.
This is the winning moment. He's hit it quite well, but just got too much elevation as opposed to distance. And that's why he didn't manage to get it past the boundary.